In this section of this video, we'll talk about SharePoint settings. So, what is SharePoint settings? This is mainly for managing your organization home pages, like what setting you want for home pages, for notification, all those kind of things. So, how can you reach there? Again, click on App Launcher. Let me share my screen. Click on App Launcher, click on Admin, and there you can see Show All. Click on Show All, and here you can see SharePoint. Click on SharePoint, and it will take you to admin center of SharePoint. Here you can see after policies, we have settings. Click on settings, and there you can see like SharePoint site. So if you want to set a home page for your website, click here and set home page. For example, let me go here and find a website which I can set as a home page. For example, I can pick a communication site. Let me see that if I can set it. Copy here and paste. Yeah, I can save. So this is how you can set your home page. You want to allow notifications, click here. You don't want to allow, uncheck. If you want to allow, check. Cancel, then pages, like allow user to create and comment on modern pages. You want that users from your organization or outside your organization can comment on pages or create new pages, you can do it. If you don't want that, only you will create the pages, then you can check these options. Users can't create pages in your organization. So allow user to create new modern pages, allow commenting on modern pages. So we don't have these both options because I think this will be a little bit irritating for organization, and that's why we keep it off. After that, you have the site creation. You want that only you will create the site pages. You can use it. You want that anybody in your organization can create pages. You can use it. But for us, users can create site. We already given that permission, so users within our organization can create pages, and this is what we have on our organization. If you don't want, you can uncheck this. You can also want that what settings should be there, teams or site when you are creating website. So we have two options you can select. And here we have time zone that you want to change that, you can change, and also storage limit. Apart from that, we have the site storage limit. That is what you can, uh, it should be automatic or it should be manual. If you check automatic, it will increase or decrease based on your usage. If you want manual, like we already uh, saw that limit in website creation. So that is what you can do. App launcher title, like for this, you can set it. After that, we have notification for OneDrive and retention for OneDrive, storage limit, and sync. So this is what we have for OneDrive and SharePoint setting under the setting option within SharePoint Admin Center. Apart from that, we have like content services, team, and all those migrations. This is for migrating data from other websites, reports like uses, like content services. In under advanced, we have API access. If you are not very much technical, these things you don't care about because this will make you confusing. You can discuss all those things if required, but for now, I think as a non-technical person, as a business owner, you don't need this kind of things. Sometimes you might need API, so we'll talk about that later on in some other videos. So after that, we have the navigation customization. You can click and you want that all these things you want in your left menu or not. You want to remove, like you want to remove advanced report, migration, and more feature you can remove because this is what we recommend because if you are not technical person, these options are not required for you. So this is what we have under SharePoint Admin Center. Hope it will make sense to you and you can easily manage your SharePoint sites.